Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to your Tangem wallet. First, open the Kraken app and go to Portfolio. Select the crypto you want to send. For example, Bitcoin. Tap the three dots and choose Withdraw. Next, select the network and tap Add Withdraw Address. Open the Tangem app, select the token, and tap Receive to copy your wallet address. Paste it into Kraken, make sure the network matches, and click Continue. Confirm via the email sent by Kraken. Then go back, select the crypto, tap Withdraw, pick your address, enter the amount, and hit review and confirm. Your crypto will be sent directly to your Tangem wallet. And that's it. That's how to transfer crypto from Kraken to your Tangem wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.